Here.
David, are you helping Daddy?
Huh?
Yeah? Helping Daddy with the bed?
Everything I say, he copies me.
Daddy?
Yep, gotta get those too. Good job. Good job, buddy. That's great.
Dad.
Great. He's copying everything you say.
At least somebody listens to me.
Wow, David, you're doing such a great job.
It is. It's a big helper. That's great. Good job. You're really unscrewing those really well. Let me put these in here. You keep these for me? Thank you.
Thank you. I see Daddy's bald spot.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Oh, he's helping Daddy.
Thank you. What a big helper.
Apple.
Helper.
I have a bald spot.
Oh, just a little one.
Uh-oh.
Nah, you hardly do. I zoomed in.
Thanks.
Apple.
Bye-bye.